Hello, welcome to another episode of a lot of how-tos and reviews. Today I visited the Bacardí Rum Factory in Puerto Rico. It's like the chocolate Willy Wonka chocolate factory of rum. Like it's big. It's the biggest rum factory in the world. It was a real experience. I had a lot of fun. I'm gonna do a quick review. Well, not really a review, just show you how it was. Not too much details in it. I don't want to spoil the experience completely if you decide to go, but just to give you a little taste of what you would experience here. It was a brief tour, and then we did a mixology class, and you'll see it here. I rate it, say it 7 out of 10. It was $75 to go. But it was lit. We had three drinks, and I learned a lot about rum and the Bacardi brand. And we had a fantastic host, Casa Bacardi. Check it out.
So, mi gente, for the Piña Colada, we're going to use the shaker. Everything we're going to use now is going to be in here. We are not going to use the glass until we got a Piña Colada done. Alright? And you're going to see how easy to make a Piña Colada because it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Because only 3 ingredients are needed. Alright? So, my crew, for the Piña Colada, we're going to use the measurer as well. If you notice, the measurer has 2 sides, a short one and a long one. We're going to start with the short one. Alright? Now, Piña, pineapple, that's gonna be the first ingredient. You got pineapple juice in front of you. I want you to pick up that pineapple juice and fill the short side all the way up. One time, all the way up, and add that to your shakers. Piña, pineapple juice. One time, short side all the way up into your shakers. Then, and this is very important, my crew, today, you are my bartenders trainees. And as my bartender trainees, bartenders, we got to know how everything tastes. We gotta know if everything is in a good state for you to consume. So my dear friends, my dear ladies, my dear gentlemen, if you have never had the pleasure in your beautiful life to have coconut cream in front of you and taste it, this should be that day, right? So you got coconut cream in front of you, you should give it a try so you know how it tastes. So in the future you can recognize that flavor when you make your piña coladas back home. You can use your spoon, you can use the glass, we sanitize everything so you feel safe. It's like going to a restaurant. But take a coconut cream so you know how it should be tasting. That's how we bartenders are. This is called the prep, where we shake and we taste everything. Even before giving you a cocktail, I'm gonna taste that cocktail to see if it tastes the way it's supposed to taste, alright? That's how we do things in the bar. Now the crew, now that you know how coconut cream tastes, did you like it? Alright, super rich. My friends, if anyone is lactose intolerant, this is safe, that's why I didn't make the announcement. This is a kosher product. Now what it has is sugar and lots of it, so that we cannot change, but it doesn't have any lactose, alright? Now the crew, you're gonna flip the measure to the long side up. Long side is the coconut cream side. Remember, it's a coconut cream dominated pineapple. So we're gonna add the coconut cream all the way up. Hasta arriba. All the way up of that long shaker side. If it doesn't come out, you're gonna use your spoon. It's because of the AC that it condensed the coconut cream. So if it doesn't come out, you're gonna always use your spoon and help yourself to take that coconut cream out. Always cream, never coconut milk. That's what you gotta be looking out for. There are like 1,000 brands that make coconut cream. The brand doesn't matter as much as the style. Coconut milk doesn't have the consistency or the richness that we need. So always buy coconut cream, never coconut milk. And once you got the long side all the way up, you can add that in your shakers. All of it, yeah, all the long side in your shaker. Get it in there. It's your spoon, dale todo. Dale cantazo, sácalo, dale dos pescosas para que salga también. Dale dos cantazos. Use your spoon. It's like those bottle of ketchup, get it out. I'm a crew. Once you're done with the coconut cream, there's the matter of making these piña coladas Puerto Ricans, Puertorriqueñas. So my crew, same with the coconut cream. If you want to taste your rum, you got the rum and you can taste it. So you know how it tastes, but you don't need to. But if you want, you can taste the rum. And then I want to see your shakers and I want to see your rum. Because we need to measure the rum now. Super important that we measure the rum, right? So you got the shaker, you got your rum. Let's picture that this is my rum. I don't have rum, but let's picture this is mine. So we're gonna measure the rum now, right? You got the shaker, you got the rum, you're gonna measure. Todo, añádelo ahí, todo. But for those of you writing, 1.5 to 2.5 is the regular amount that we tend to use when we make cocktails. Usually 1.5 to 2 ounces is the regular amount that we use. Oh my God, right now you have almost Piña Colada in your shaker. But my crew, I need 1 second of your attention. We got the Piña Coladas about done. Everything is in the shaker. Now that shaking moment is upon us. We're near that shaking moment. But my crew, I need you to understand something about these shakers. These shakers are tricky. These shakers can be treacherous because they don't have a touch sensor, but they behave like they do. The second you let go of one hand, there's a Piña Colada explosion, right? I'm a crew. If you do the loop mama with one hand, that's an even faster explosion, my crew. We need to hold this with 2 hands all the time, right? We need to shake this for a good 15 seconds. I maybe make you shake for 20, and it feels like a minute, right? So my crew, I'm a right hand person. With the left side, with my left hand, I hold the shaker, balance. And with my right hand, I hold it up. That way, this won't escape from me, and that way I can shake, I can pop my hand, right? Right? It's never gonna open up on me, right? So my crew, now that you know how we're gonna do it, we need to add the ice. So my crew, we're gonna add 2 scoops of ice, 2 scoops of ice, 2 scoops of ice, 2 scoops of ice. Ice. Let me show you I have one available so I can give you. Alright, so my friends, now that you added those 2 scoops of ice, we're about to start that shaking moment. So my crew, I want you to pick up that shaker. I want you to hold those shakers with 2 hands very firmly. And I want you to make that music on the bottom disappear because you're going to make so much noise with that shaker that nobody's going to hear anything else but you shaking. So shaking, shake, 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 shake. We're gonna stop you, we're gonna stop you, we're not going to seconds. Shake, 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 shake. You're dying, you're dying, you're dying. Shake, 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 starting down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Shake this now, shake this now. We got a pass for the Bacardi. Thank you, Bacardi. Roots. That's the game. I got the roots in Bacardi. So we just dance our way to a Piña Colada, right? You see how easy to make, but my crew, we got one more thing to do. Remember the empty glass? You're gonna come back to that empty glass, and you're gonna add new ice to that empty glass. Nuevo hielo, hielo fresco. Ice and ice all the way up, up. Mi corillo, mi gente linda. Once you add the ice all the way up in your glass, the only thing we need to do now is take off this tapita. Only la tapita. You're gonna leave your shaker like this because we don't want the used beer ice inside. We're gonna do what is called a clean pour. We're gonna serve the Piña Colada on that new ice that you just served. So now, on that new ice, you're gonna serve your very own handshake Piña Colada. Y mami, we just made a Piña Colada. Felicidades, congratulations, mi gente. Now you know how to make Puerto Rico's national cocktail, la Piña Colada. ¡Qué rico! Y esta sí que no falla. Así que mi gente, get that Piña Colada in the air. Let me see that Piña Colada also. I want to see you. I want to see that Piña Colada. And mi gente, you're gonna see how amazing this tastes. And you don't need to be stuck to a well outlet, alright? Así que mi gente, once again, let me hear a very loud salud. Salud! Salud!